Welcome to this tutorial on spam and slang detection using C# and ML.NET. In this video, we'll build a simple machine learning model to classify messages as spam or slang. Let's get started. First, open Visual Studio and create a new C# console app project. Then, install ML.NET by running this command in the NuGet package manager. Now, let's define our email data class, which stores messages along with their spam and slang labels. Next, create the email prediction class to hold the model's output. Now, we'll create a hard-coded dataset with spam, slang, and normal messages. We now load the data and train two separate ML.NET models, one for spam detection and another for slang detection. Finally, let's test our model with sample messages. If the message is detected as spam or slang, it will be flagged accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully built a spam and slang detection system in C#. Now, try adding more training data to improve accuracy.